Now we talk about Python strings. String in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. So for example, this is a string and this is also a string. If you want to output it in the terminal, simply use print hello and print with double quote hello. So if we see it on terminal, it will output similar hello. We also can assign a string to variables. For example, a equal to hello, then we print a. In string, we also can do a lot of things. For example, if you want to output more lines here in the strings, for example, let's say we take a quote from lorem ipsum, we can put it with triple double quote or triple single quote. Then we can paste it like this. This supports for multi-line strings. But remember, please put triple quotes or triple double quotes in here. String is also array. What does it mean with array? Because like many other popular programming languages, string in Pythons are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access element of the strings. So let me give you the example for this explanation. A contains hello world. So if you want to access O in here, we can do it by print A. Then we use a square brackets to access this string because basically string is an array. How to access this O? We can count it from here. This start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to get the O, what we need to do is just give 4 index in here. Now if you print on the terminal, it will output O. What about if you want to get the W? If you want to get the W, you know that this is the 4 index, this is a 5, a space is 6, and W is 7. See, this will output W. You can also do looping through a strings because since strings are arrays, we can loop through the characters in a string with for loop. So for example, we give it for x in, let's say the string is banana, then we print x. Sorry, this will output every words inside the banana. So it will output ba and so on. We also can do counting length in the strings. So example, if we have a with hello everyone, we can count the length of this a by saying len, because len is a function, built-in function in Python, so you do not need to import it. Simply just say len a, and we can see the line of a as 14. The other things we can do is we can do string check. So for example, we can do some check string. This will output to boolean. For example, if base is here in txt, and sorry, print base in txt, this will output to true because base exists in txt. So if we print, then true. What about we print something not here, like friend? Friend is not here, so it will output to false. You can also use if statement to check whether the word is exists. For example, if free is in txt, but actually it's not there. Oh yeah, free is here. We print it with yes. So if you output it on the terminal, let me clear it first. This is the syntax error with in. If free, you should not use is but in. Sorry for the mistake. Yes, it's here. What about if it's not there? Simply it just return false. But if you type something like apple and this word is not available here, it will simply output nothing in your terminal. If you want to output this, simply just say else and print no. Now it will output to no. Please be aware with the indentations. I have informed you how to set up the Visual Studio Code. If you are not checking my previous videos yet, please go to Visual Studio Setup in this channel. And it is helpful because it will automatically give an indentation here without having to do some manual tab or space. So this is how we use strings there are a few things that we can do with strings. The first one, we can assign a value to a strings. We can do multiple line strings in here. But the differences is we use triple double quote or triple single quotes for multi lines, and also we can do a string is also an array. So with array we can do looping, we can check, we can count how many length for the variables contains particular strings and so on.